Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation of my virtual internship project at Code Basics on Tech Instagram Influencer Analysis at Code Basics Data Analysis Bootcamp. Now let me start the presentation with the contents. First we will talk about the problem statement, followed by the brief discussion of project overview, dataset, then 10 ad hoc requests. So the problem statement here is to analyze the database tables which is given containing the Instagram activity data, and we can explore patterns and answer some key questions and derive actionable insights from the data. The overview of this project is working with a dataset related to tech Instagram influencers account, and the goal is to answer 10 ad hoc requests using SQL queries. So now we will look into the data set. So the database used in this project is GDB0120, and it has three tables, that is dim date, fact account and fact content. So the first question is how many unique post types are found in the fact content table, and this is the SQL query and output for the question. So in this visual we can see the bar chart shows that there are four distinct types of Instagram posts in the dataset, and they are IG video, IG image, IG carousel and IG reel. So the second question is what are the highest and lowest recorded impressions for each post type? So this visual compares the highest and lowest impressions for different Instagram post types. It shows that IG Reels have the highest impressions while IG Carousels have the lowest. IG good videos have a good balance of high and low impressions, which indicates consistency. So IG Reels should be the primary focus for maximum reach, followed by IG images. The third question is filter all the posts that were published on a weekend in the month of March and April and export them to a separate CSV file. So in this visual we can see mobile devices generated the highest number of impressions, followed by earphones and laptops, and other gadgets and smart watches had fewer impressions. So the fourth ad hoc question is create a report to get the statistics for the account. The final output includes the following fields, that is month name, total profile visits and total new followers. So in this visual the line chart shows monthly profile visits and new followers. May and June had the highest profile visits and gained the most new followers. Profile visits and follower growth were slower in the early months of the year. The fifth question is write a CTE that calculates the total number of likes for each post category during the month of July and subsequently arrange the post category values in descending order according to the total likes. So here the bar chart shows the total likes for different post categories. Posts about other gadgets received the most likes, which is followed by tech tips. Posts about smart watches received the fewest likes. The sixth question is to create a report that displays the unique post category names alongside the respective counts for each month. The output should have three columns: month name, post category names and post category count. So in this visual the chart shows the number of post categories posted each month. The variety of post categories increased from January to May, reaching a peak of 6 categories in May. Afterwards, the variety decreased, stabilizing at 4 to 5 categories in later months. Mobile and smartwatch were consistent categories throughout the year. The seventh ad hoc question is that what is the percentage breakdown of total reach by post type? The final output includes the following fields, that is post type, total reach, reach percentage. So this pie chart shows that the IG Reels have the highest reach, that is 61.60% among all Instagram post types. IG images have 21.38% and IG videos have 16.3%, contributing significantly but are far behind Reels. IG carousels have the lowest reach, that is 0.69%. And the eighth ad hoc question was to create a report that includes the quarter, total comments, and total saves recorded for each post category. Assign the following quarter groupings: January, February, March to quarter 1, April, May, June to quarter 2, July, August, September to quarter 3. The final output column should consist of post category, quarter, total comments, and total saves. So this is the SQL query and output for the question. So in this visual, the chart shows total comments and saves for different product categories across quarters. Tech tips post dominated in Q2 and Q3 with high comments and saves. Mobile posts consistently received high engagement across quarters, with increasing comments and saves peaking in Q2. Other gadgets and smartwatch categories saw a significant increase in engagement in Q2 compared to Q1. So the ninth question is, list the top 3 dates in each month with the highest number of new followers. The final output should include the following columns, that is month, date, new followers. So in this visual we can see June had the largest number of new followers, and both April and July had a steady stream of new followers throughout the month. So the last question was to create a stored procedure that takes the week number as input and generates a report displaying the total shares for each post type. The output of the procedure should consist of 2 columns, that is post type and total shares. So I have created a stored procedure, and when you call that stored procedure by giving a week number as the input, you will get post type and total shares. So in this visual, the bar chart shows the total shares for different Instagram post types. IG Reels have the highest number of shares, followed by IG Images. IG Carousels have the lowest number of shares. So that was the end of my presentation. I would like to thank each and everyone watching this presentation, and I would like to thank Code Basics team for providing such an amazing project to work upon. And I would like to offer my special thanks to Dhawal sir and Hemanand sir for designing such a wonderful and engaging course. And please drop your comments for my areas of improvement that would help me to improve my presentation further. Thank you.